I'm Scott Woodruff, a yacht sales consultant, and I've had the opportunity to explore, to prepare this video walkthrough, and to list the 1998 Shannon 43 Tammie Norrie. Welcome aboard the Shannon 43 Tammie Norrie, where craftsmanship meets adventure. Designed for sailors who demand excellence, this yacht is built to conquer the open seas with grace and power. From its sturdy construction to its elegant design, the Shannon 43 is more than just a boat. It's a statement of timeless sailing tradition. Whether you're cruising coastal waters or embarking on a transoceanic voyage, Tammie Norrie will deliver reliability, comfort, and performance. Her large, easily maneuvered cockpit offers easy access to electronics, winches, and working lines, while still ensuring a safe and well-protected area for crew and guests. Stepping around the large bimini that offers great visibility is the weather deck with a tan diamond pattern non-skid. The handrails, brow, and tow rails are varnished teak, and there are 4 dorade boxes with cowls on the coach roof, with the forward 2 having stainless steel guards to avoid snagging on the Genoa sheets. The varnished teak bowsprit holds the furling drums for both head sails and has space for 2 anchors. The rigging was refit in 2015, the stack pack was replaced and the sails were all serviced by Bondell Sails in 2023, and a solar array covers the bimini and hardtop Dodger that was installed in 2024, along with the arch and davits built by Claco Marine. Tammie Norrie features a Herreshoff style interior. After the galley to starboard is the navigation station with the Victron lithium-ion battery system installed in 2023 below the desk, and Victron monitor above the desk, and her electrical distribution panel outboard. Moving forward, the centrally located galley features top-loading and front-loading refrigeration, a 3-burner propane stove, and great storage outboard and under the sink. Continuing forward is the salon with L-shaped settee and dinette not pictured, to starboard with reading lights and storage outboard and below the settee. The owner's cabin is forward with drawer storage below the double berth, double locker and outboard storage to starboard, overhead and reading lights, access to chain locker forward, storage outboard to port, and locker drawer storage and vanity to port. Turning around and moving aft, you re-enter the salon with bench-style settee to port, storage above and below the settee, ship's clock and barometer on the forward port bulkhead, and a 12-volt fan on the aft port bulkhead. Continuing aft on the port side is the head with stall shower and bench settee, sink with vanity outboard, and a new in 2024 Raritan Elegance electric toilet with the option of using sea or fresh water. After the head to port is the aft cabin with quarter berth that features locker storage and shelf storage outboard, reading lights, additional storage below the berth, and a mirror inboard. I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough. If you have any questions after watching it, please feel free to reach out to me at the information below. I look forward to talking with you. Cheers.